time to open up my slime shop. First thing, well, I'm reopening it because I have a blue teal slime, a green slime, and a purple slime, and I have this new pink strawberry slime. So let me take a picture of that. Boop!
You step up at
And
your
somebody,
I'm with the king.
oh my gosh, who could be calling me now?
We step up at your party. I'm with the king.
Hello? Oh, you seen my pink ice cream strawberry slime? Oh my gosh, thank you. I am selling it for $20. Cause it is a fluffy ice cream strawberry slime. And it smells great. It smells like strawberry and it's really stretchy and stuff. So, text you back later. I'm gonna be playing with it a little bit. Bye. Just look at this slime. Like, I don't understand. Who won't want this slime? What, it's the life of a slime skimmer. See if we make a good squirrel. It's really fluffy. But now, let the show begin. Okay, let it begin. So, let me call her back and tell her her order will be here. Hey, Emma, your order is on its way. 15 minutes, bye. Okay, time to get her little piece. She said she wanted an 8-ounce for $20. Oh my God, Jesus. I give her this big container with this little bit of slime in it. Okay. Let's go and give it to the mail person. Dun dun dun! Let's go. Could that be my slime? What? This little bit of slime is good and all, but it's small. She ripped me off. I am going to send this back to her and tell her to give my money back. Now, let's go send this back to her. What could that be? Is that a little twerp? What? Huh? This is my slime. Wait, somebody's calling me. Hello? Emma! You send the slime back. Well, guess you're not going to have any slime because you're not getting your money back. Ha! I said no refunds. That's exactly what you get. That's what you get. That's what you get. Bye. No slime for you. You should never send it back. I guess I'm going to play with it with the rest of my slime. So I'll take it. This was pretty good. If it was me, something wrong with her. I would have took it. Okay. So, see if we can sell this again. Wait, someone's calling me. Hello? Oh, your name's Rachel. You like to buy my strawberry scented ice cream slime? It's fluffy for $20. Okay, but I would just let you know, no refunds. She don't know what's coming for her. Ha! Let's do it like we did that other girl. Little piece of slime. Let's go send it out to her. Could that be my slime? Ding dong, ding dong. I think that's my slime. Let's go check. It's my slime. It's my slime. My nails are kind of hurting. But I got slime. I got some slime. I got some slime. She really put it in a packet, so let's see how much slime I hope I got that 18 ounce. And I paid $20 for it. Wasn't fine. I'll show you on the top. What? I ordered more than this little piece. What? What is this? I like to make a complaint. Call her back. Hello? Hey, I don't know who this is, but are you like some kind of slime scammer? I said 18 ounces of slime for $20. And you ripped me off and gave me a little teeny piece. Like I said, sweetheart, no refund. Ha ha ha. Bye. Guess you gonna keep that little teeny slime or you can send it back. Bye. Well, guys, that's it for y'all today. Life of a slime scammer. And I also want y'all to check my nails out. Red, on point, and free. Bye, guys.